Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix ghost touch issues on iPhone. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. Facing ghost touch issues on your iPhone? Ghost touch issues are the unnecessary touch inputs that can cause erratic touch responses on the device. To fix this issue, you'll need to make sure that your phone is updated to the latest version of iOS. So in this step I'll tell you how to update your iPhone. If you're behind schedule on iOS updates, you must update the device to resolve the ghost touch issues. For this, you should open the Settings app. Now go to General. Go to Software Update. If an update is available, then update your phone to the latest version of iOS. Tap Install Now and you're done. After updating the iOS, the ghost touch problem will be resolved. Now for the next fix, I'm going to tell you how to reset all the settings. If a modification in the settings is causing this problem, resetting the settings should fix the issue. For this, go to the Settings app. Next, go to the General tab. Now scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Touch the Reset option. Tap Reset All Settings. The rest of the resetting process is quite simple. You must verify it using your passcode and you are done. Settings are reset to normal. The issue with the ghost touches should go away. I hope this video helped you fix ghost touch issues on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.